Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a new piece that I want to bring to you guys. This one is from RPGSHOW and I am so excited to show you guys this one. So I'm going to start off the video just kind of, doing some pre-maintenance to the piece that I receive from them. Normally when I get a piece from anyone, I make sure that I wash it just to see how it's going to look, because normally right out of the box it's either really nice or you could tell it needs to be washed. But this particular one was gorgeous out of the box, but I wanted to go ahead and wash it, see how it was gonna perform after it was washed and dried. And look at this hair. Yeah, so this is the one that I'm going to be showing you guys, so stay tuned. Today we are doing a new piece that I received from RPGSHOW. Their pieces are amazing. The piece that I have today, she's pretty voluptuous and she's big hair, but very pretty. I will show you, or I'll probably stick a couple of pics in here from what it looked like when I received it. Surprisingly, I did not do a lot of altering to this piece. I mean, barely. I just trimmed off the hair that was just kind of, just kind of a little uneven. But that was pretty much it. But what I did do is I used my curling rod or curling wand and added just a few more curls, because after I washed it and conditioned it, it was a little frizzy. It's a curly piece, so I wanted those, those sort of wand curls to help that natural curl to come out a little bit more. So yes, it is a lace front. I'm still debating on how I'm gonna do this. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop it on, let you see what it looks like before I cut anything off. And then we'll kind of decide if I'm going to use any of my hair to expose any of my hair, or if we're going to use something to, because I normally don't glue anything down, but I do have some Got To Be spray, and it can be pretty tacky, but I don't think it's anything that would harm my hair. Okay, so let's get started. Let's go ahead, take this off. I'm going to attempt to do this. I know this is gonna be kind of weird, but so let's see. Oh, I'll just go through the routine. There are the two combs here. There's one in the back, and then it's like one at the crown. So I guess it would go somewhere up in here. That's interesting. I've never seen that before. And then of course, just the straps here, where you can make it tighter, you can make it looser, whichever works for you. A little bit of lace here in the back, and the lace extends all the way across the front. So let's just get started. We're going to try it on so we can have an idea of what it looks like. So let me back up a little bit so you guys can see. So I guess it has the thing where you can part it, I guess, whichever, if you want a side part, if you want it in the middle, whatever. So probably will have to do some plucking there. But this is what it looks like on initially. Let's see here, I guess around about there. Okay, so I just marked with the Sharpie, so I'll probably cut above that. But I guess, maybe we should just try to go ahead and do it while I have it on. So let's give it a shot. Okay guys, let's get started. I'm just gonna do my own little pre-cuts, okay? We're gonna go up to about there. And basically I'm just kind of following that hairline, just a little bit below it. So right about there, I think that's good. So I guess maybe that is going to be our starting point. And I think I'm just gonna cut these off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Okay, and I'm gonna put my combs in now. Okay, now, and I think that's where I'm going to spray the glue and see if I can get it to, all right. Okay guys, so in this process, I am gluing down, not literally gluing, but using the blasting free spray by Got2b by Schwarzkopf. It's a sort of a blasting spray, and what it does is it gives you a maximum hold. So there's no glue adhesive that I'm using that could damage any of the hair. The way that I remove this is a little mixture of water and alcohol. RPG always does such an amazing job with their packages. They always send you all these amazing little goodies with their wigs. So with the wig, is a melting band, and it has the little Velcro. So that's what we're gonna use to mount this. So I'm gonna go ahead and plop this on. Okay guys, so this is really not about me and the lace front. It is about this piece. Clearly we know that I could have done a much better job with applying the Got2b glue to make it more adhesive and that lace to melt more. But I really want you guys to get into the hair. It is the hair that is the star of the show. Maybe I'll come back and redo the whole lace thing so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm hoping and praying that that it will at least lay for the video. I don't know what it's gonna do, but we're gonna hope that it at least lays for this video. Okay, so let's get into what you normally get in their box. So when I received the wig, and when I've received every wig from them, there was always some little package in here, something that, you know, just made it just extra special to receive their product. The box was in this bag. It is, you know, sort of that satin lined, and it has RPGSHOW on the front, and you can keep your pieces in here, but this was just what the box came in. And inside, y'all, I finally went to the eye doctor. Got a new prescription. Got some glasses, they coming. They're not here yet, but they coming. So let's see here. So this is Absorber. It's their wig deep conditioner. So it's I've never heard of buriti oil, but this is a buriti oil wig deep conditioner, and I received 2, so that's what I used on this hair to wash it. Then I always receive this little wax. It says say goodbye to frizz hair. It's an anti-frizz, nourishing, portable, flyaway tamer. So this comes in the packet. They always give you wig caps, and there's 2 in here. They give you this cute little bag that you can store your wigs. It would be great if it had a little hook in here so you could put like a hanger and you could hang them up. That would be awesome. But yeah, so it goes in here. And then it always comes with this beautiful magazine. I just love this. But it's a magazine and it has all kinds of beautiful styles, fashion, architecture, or interior design, I should say. But it's just a beautiful magazine of beautiful women, and they stick that in the bag, in the box as well. So those are all the little goodies that came with the wig in the box. And obviously along with that, you're gonna have your description of your wig. So let's see what this one says. This one, the name is GH001. I'll leave that information here. The texture is silky and is 16 inches long. The color, 50% white, 50% black, and the cap size is a 1. It feels great. I don't have a problem with it, but I can tell it's snug. It feels good on my head. I don't feel like it's gonna slip off or anything. It says 13.6 Glueless HD lace front wig, and this hair density is 130% density. It has a nice fullness, but it's not like crazy full. And the lace color is a medium brown. So all of that information comes in here in your box about your wig. So if you have any questions, or if it's something where you want to reorder, you have all the information here at your fingertips. So we're just gonna let this continue to lay and to melt, and as soon as it melts, I'll come back on and let you guys see what it looks like, if we need to do another spray and another melting session, but I'll let you guys know. Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna leave that alone. I was gonna do a little bit of concealing there, but I think I'm gonna leave that alone. And then also my light is fading here, so I'm gonna change up so you guys can maybe have a better view of what the wig looks like. Okay, so this is the new piece that I received from RPGSHOW. I think she is beautiful, okay? So no, I'm no master at the lace front thing. You can see those are my edges there, and I just sprayed it down, and I'll just take some oil and I'll lubricate that really well, just so that it'll come up, so it will not disturb my hair. So we're gonna put a little lip gloss on. No liner. But yeah, I think it's a really cute piece. This one is very much, this was a simple put it on and go. The only thing that was a little time consuming, but not really, is I took the time to add some rod curls in, you know, just kind of throughout the back of my hair. The side, the other side, and back to the front. Okay, that's that. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video, but I wanted to end the video by wishing RPGSHOW a happy 18th anniversary. These guys have been doing this for 18 years, and I think they have done an exceptional job bringing amazing, beautiful hair pieces to women. And just the quality is just top notch. So happy 18th anniversary. hope that you guys are around for another 18. But anyhow, have an amazing day, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.